Hi guys, I'm back at Lowe's. They have out some new plants, so you know I have to come and check it out. This is really pretty. This Mandevilla here with the welcome sign. It is $26.98. Pretty. And they have this beautiful pot with petunias here. These yellow ones. They are $29.98. Nice. Yes. Okay. They have these pots here. They're new. These are the super bells here, and they are $16.98. And up here are the petunias in this pot for $22.98. This is new as well. Okay. Look at those petunias, the yellow ones. Ooh-wee, isn't that pretty? Wow. Okay. Yes. Let's see. This pot right here, this is new. These are the begonias for $29.98. Brand new. These pots are cute too. Nice. They have not priced them just yet though. Okay. Okay, this nice pot right here on the end. This tropical pot here is $134.98. It has the Mandevilla in it as well. Beautiful. Okay. Robe right here. These are beautiful. They're petunia as well for $9.98 in this container here. These are new. Man, look at these hostas. Ooh-wee. They had most of these in the last video I did, but I just want you guys to see how pretty they are. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. These on the end, they're $19.98. And these are by Monrovia here. The ones up here are by Proven Winners, and they are $10.98. Okay. And they have all the heucheras here. We did go over the heucheras in the last video, but while I'm over here, I'll give you another sneak peek. Beautiful. Okay. Ooh. Look at here. Is this a sight or what? They are $9.98. And these are the pink caladiums here. They also have them in this white. And they have, let's see, is this Prince Tut? Yes, this is Prince Tut for $9.98. You know this is gonna get huge here. Let's see if y'all can see the size. There it goes. Okay. These lilies here, these are new. They are $26.98. Okay. This is such a beautiful show, guys. Isn't that pretty? We have some new hydrangeas back here. Okay. These are the white Robe Hydrangea for how much is it on here? Yes, $29.98. Beautiful. And these are 26, I think, guys. That's the price, if you can see it. Beautiful. Let's see if they have the name of them. Okay. Here it goes. Okay. I know they had these last time, but aren't they pretty? For $17.98. And they also have, they still have these boxes here. The pre-planted bulbs for $19.98 here. Okay. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. Look up at the top. What is this? Oh, this is a begonia. Yeah. For $15.98. Isn't that pretty? Love it. Lemon Sunset Evening Primrose here is a perennial for $7.48. Nice. Okay, guys, they didn't have these the last time we were here. I think these are super veils here. No, super petunias. Yes, for $5.98. The super petunias. Beautiful. Okay. These are pretty. These are the Eastern Snowballs for $39.98. Okay. Let's see what else we can spot that's new. And guys, they have a lot of clearance items back there. Let's see if we could. I'm sure they're not priced yet, but when it's in the back like this, that means it's on clearance. See all of these trees, these rose trees here. A little fertilizer and water. We can bring them back to life. They even have hydrangeas over here. Don't see any prices. Well, here it goes, yeah. Okay. Not bad. Okay. And here are the wave petunias here. Oh yes. Beautiful. And they are $5.98. In this 6-pack here, it is $9.98. Okay. Ooh, look at here. Oh, I'm just gonna fall out on these, on the garden soil, guys. I'm just gonna fall out from the shock. Yeah, these are begonias up here. They're $34.98. And Proven Winner has this pot here. It has like a galvanized pot, but it feels plastic. It just has that look. It's $29.98. These are not clearance. These are some they just pulled out the bag. Okay, this is really pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, it's $39.98. It's called the Gloria Rose. Isn't it beautiful? It looks like it can be on a table for a wedding or something. I like that. And these are called sunglasses here. Yes. And they have the red in the wave, the purple, white, and like that salmon pink. And they have a true pink up here. Okay. Let's go. I am super impressed with what I see, guys. Okay. I got it. Thank you so much. Okay. These are the Impatiens here. These are new for $15.98. Lovely. They're in the hanging pot. Oh my goodness. I just can't get over how beautiful these begonias are up here. They look like roses. Okay. I'm gonna go outside, guys, to see if we could find any more new things. As a matter of fact, when I walked in, at the entranceway, they had beautiful plants. Let's see. We have all of the little fruit trees. Here's the blackberries here for $13.98. Let's see. What are these? Okay, these are daisies. The pink and white bicolor for $5.48. You get this one here. It's by Miracle Grow. Everybody's making plants now. Okay. Let's see. We're almost there, guys. You know, I'll be in the rain for these flowers, so a little walking definitely not gonna hurt me. Okay, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Look at that. Oh. These are $42.98. The mandevilla here. This big beautiful pot down here with the elephant ears. Let's see if we can find a price. Yes, for $79.98. Here it goes. Nice for the patio. And guys, look at this. Look how tall these are. Oh my goodness. They are $69.98. Lovely. Okay, one more spot I want to show you guys. Excuse me. Okay. Look at this beauty. How about that? Isn't that gorgeous? This one here is $59.98. We've seen this one on the inside here for $26.98. Those ferns at the top up there, see. These are beautiful here. $36.98. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. Well, today has been a good day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please give me a subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.